In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily use and install IPTV on your Sharp TV. Okay, for the first step, what we can do is that we go here into the home menu. So click on the home menu and then go here on apps. So when we scroll down, then we see your apps, or if you have like an Android Sharp TV, then you can go down to the Google Play Store and you can open it. So then on this TV, this is a Sharp TV with Google TV, then you can go down here and then you can go into the search bar and here we can look for IPTV. Or what we also can do, if we don't want to type it in, then we can go here on video players and editors in the app categories. So click on this and here we have like the IPTV Smartest Pro or TV Mate. So if you want to download the IPTV, then click on this and then we can easily go on install, so like this, or we can easily open it. So you see this here, go on install, and then it is installing. So and then here in the app you can easily use the IPTV. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.